still there or not? Dang it. Oh yeah, he's still there. Let's get him. Let's get him over here. He's a nice little. Let's see what we got here. A rainbow. Little teeny rainbow. It's all right. Take him. There's a fish. Right on. What do we got? What do we got? Ooh, nice little tiger. Nice little tiger. Nice little tiger. Let's get him in here. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Nice little tiger. Ooh, he's a nice tiger. Nice tiger. Really nice tiger. There we go. There we go. Nice fish. Oh, he's off. He's off. Look how pretty he is. Alright, back in the water. Here you go, guy. Come on up. There he goes. He's not bad. Oh, he's not bad at all. He's not bad at all. Oh, come on. There we go. Nice little rainbow. Nice little healthy rainbow. Alright, let's let him go. Oh, another way. There he goes. Alright guys, well I didn't even do an intro to this video because I wasn't 100% sure even what to expect when I got up here to Trial Lake. Now I haven't done a whole lot of fishing this summer because of the water situation here in the state of Utah. Now some of our lower elevation lakes are below 50% capacity, and some of the creeks and streams that I like to fish are running extremely low. So I've done other outdoor activities this summer. So it was really cool to get out here, get up to Trial Lake, and actually launch the kayak and do some fishing. Now once on the water, I was able to hook into several nice tiger trout and several rainbow trout. Now the lures that worked for me today were the silver and gold bladed Jake's spin lure and a black-tailed silver bladed rooster tail. Both seem to work out really good for me today. Hey my friends, I hope you enjoyed this outdoor activity. Thank you so much for your ongoing support. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.